Hey everyone, this is Darla from crafty.yarn.owl with Darla. I just wanted to share some happy mail with you guys I got last week from Ladybird Loves, and that's the lovely Lisa. So let's open this. Okay. And thank you, Lisa. I'll link her channel below. Okay. Ooh. Oh my. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Empty. Okay. Let me see. Darla, couldn't resist making these for you. Hope you like them, Lisa. Oh, here's her card. She sells a few things. So please check her out. All right. Such a pretty blue bag. Royal blue, my favorite. Oh my. Ooh. Wow. Okay. So beautiful. All right. Stitch markers. Okay, let me just lay these out so we can take a good look. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Wow, that's so pretty. Let's see. Put them on here. An owl, of course. Look. Oh my goodness, look at the purple heart. It's a purple bead and a purple owl. Oh my goodness, that's so beautiful, Lisa. Thank you so much. And then there's this other one. Oh my goodness. So nice. There's a purple bead. There's like a transparent heart. And look at this blue and pink. What other color do we have in there? Darker pink or maybe even purple. Owl. So beautiful. Wow, thank you so much, Lisa. Oh, I love them. I love them so much. Wow. Thank you so much, Lisa. Okay, Lisa, I'm a little confused. It says here keyring, and that's a seed paper. To tell me, where is this seed paper? What is this seed paper you speak of? Thank you so much, Lisa. Thank you for thinking of me and making me these beautiful stitch markers. Or key rings. You know what? I might just put this one on my purse. Thank you so much.